I'm really excited to be presenting today. Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Luo, and today I will be presenting a research project on fabricating an artificial heart fit for human use. And this research was conducted by bioengineers from the Harvard John A. Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. So I was originally interested in this topic because medical research really appeals to me. And as soon as I saw the title, I was very intrigued to learn more about how people were able to create an artificial heart, because hearts are the most complex and arguably the most vital organ in our human body. And to be able to fabricate this incredibly complex organ is not an easy task. And also, as you may know, that the leading cause of death in the US is heart disease. And part of why it is so deadly is because the heart, unlike other organs, cannot repair itself after injury. And so the only cure to this disease is a heart transplant. And that is exactly why tissue engineering, which can ultimately lead to the fabrication of entire heart, is so important for the future of cardiac medicine. So to build a heart from the ground up, the unique structures that make up a heart have to be replicated. And this includes recreating these helical geometries that create a twisting motion as the heart beats. And this twisting motion is something that scientists have long believed is critical to pumping blood at high volumes, but proving this has been very difficult because to create hearts with its different geometries and alignments is very challenging. But now, these bioengineers have successfully shown and created an artificial heart. So moving on, how exactly did these scientists develop an artificial heart? Well, they created a new method of additive textile manufacturing, which is basically a technique that uses computer-aided design software to direct hardware and to deposit material layer upon layer in precise geometric shapes. One type of additive textile manufacturing that you may be more familiar with is 3D printing. However, the method used in this research is a brand new method that they developed called focused rotary jet spinning, or FRJS for short. And unlike 3D printing, which gets slower as features get smaller, FRJS can quickly spin fibers at the single micron scale, which is about 50 times smaller than a single human hair. And this is very important when it comes to building a heart from scratch. So the process of FRJS, the first step kind of works like a cotton candy machine. So a liquid polymer solution is loaded into this reservoir and is pushed out through a tiny opening by a centrifugal force as the device spins. And then as the solution leaves the reservoir, the solvent evaporates and the polymers solidify to form fibers. And then, as you can see in the first picture, a focused airstream controls the orientation of the fiber as they are deposited on a collector. And then the team found that by angling and rotating the collector, the fibers in the stream would align and twist around the collector as it spun. Be seen in the second picture below. And then the fibers are seeded with cardiomyocyte cells, which causes the ventricles to start beating just like a human heart. So this research obviously has a huge impact on everyone's lives, and it took a very large group of people to make this project happen, like mechanical engineers focused on the way the heart contracts, materials engineers focused on building fibers, and so many different people from different scientific specialties focused on other areas that were needed to create this heart. And as you can see in this picture, the first picture, there's kind of a model of a heart. And also the two pictures below, those are, it looks really cool when you can see like a video of it because it's like actually pulsing, which is like just amazing. And this research of building cardiac cells and tissues.
Jennifer,